taking a picture of Randy at EMC World at the EMC Developer Network booth.
Under your index finger.
And now we're checking out Playing the Cloud, who's on the leaderboard. In fact, I'm still there, just barely. And Alan, our trusty reporter on the spot. And Gail French, our trusty DFE architect. And a wide view of the EMC Developer Network Lounge at EMC World, where you can get connected. Partner collateral from all of our Design for EMC solution providers. Very popular item this week. And our registration desk. And Ashish Patil. And our EDN collateral, including the session guide for those developer sessions, over 40 of them. The Partner Solution Gallery, launched this week. The EMC Documentum Solution Exchange for building components for customers to build and customize their own solutions. And Design for EMC benefit cards. And launching the new EMC Partner Solution Gallery, the online marketplace for solutions built by partners. Good afternoon, so great to see you again.
Nice seeing you too.
Thought for the record you might share with us your company name, your name, and what you're doing at EMC World this year.
Okay. I'm Diana. I'm with Kapow Technologies, and we're here to sell our software. Our software is basically a developer tool. It allows you to code through a visual scripting tool rather than coding from scratch. So it's a big time saver, especially when you're building custom APIs or when you're going to transfer information from one system to another, such as EMC Documentum. So instead of having to go code into those systems, try to get the information out, which could take months, you can do something within a matter of days. And you can move the specific information you're looking for over to the specific section you're looking for. So you aren't dumping all the trash from one system to another. You're actually moving the important information you want to the place you want it in the data format that you need.
Excellent, that sounds fantastic. And I understand you participate in the Design for EMC Solution Accreditation Program.
Yes, we've been a certified partner for a year now. We've actually come out with what we're calling the Kapow Fast Track. It's specifically designed for EMC. We also have a story here about the U.S. Health and Human Services that used our product and migrated into EMC Documentum. So if you want to come hear that story, stop by our booth.
Excellent, thank you very much. And lastly, can you share with me any benefits you've received from a participation in the Design for EMC accreditation process?
Well, we got put onto that 20 questions form for this show, so we're hoping that'll bring some booth traffic by. I've seen a few people already. But the main thing is when you're certified, you really have that name brand behind you, so people feel comfortable purchasing your product. They know it's proven, they know it works.
Excellent, thank you so much. Have a great show.
Thank you.
How are you?
I'm well, thank you.
I was wondering if you might introduce yourself and your company for the camera so that we can share with our customer and partner audience the benefits of participating in EMC World and the Design for EMC Solution Accreditation process.
Okay, it's my pleasure. I'm Tim Taylor from Apparent Software. We produce an application suite called Enterprise Engineer, which manages engineering documentation processes in oil and gas, utilities, any organisation that operates a large physical asset. So we've been in a documental partner for 13 years, would you believe?
Fantastic.
And we always felt that the development of content applications was going to be where the market was. We think we're ahead of EMC in that one.
Excellent.
So we place quite a lot of demands on Documentum as was and then EMC for roadmap information, so that we can actually plan our roadmap to coincide with EMC's roadmap. So obviously for synchronise shipments and really compatibility with new platforms.
Super.
And we became a charter member of the Design for Documentum program, probably because we were shouting louder than anyone else. And we helped, as I sounding block and also helped shape some of the processes. Having said that, it's moved on tremendously since then, and it's great for us because we now not only are able to actually ship our products in a very short space of time after the new documental platform, and that's great for the customers as well. They want that sort of surety. So we promote the Design for Documental program to our customers as a way of actually saying to them, we actually do have the right things, we're not just waiting for the product release one day from EMC and then start building. So they have some comfort that we're moving forward, that the compatibility is there, and the services we get to the next level. And I have to say it's the best one in the market, so, and I'm not being paid to say that. So really we're moving on to what I see the next phase is the marketing of that, along with EMC's content enablement solution strategy, which we're fully behind, as you would expect, because we're a content solutions company. Sorry, I should say content applications company. And being at the booth here is another step towards that, so we're very happy with the way it's going.
Excellent. Thank you so much for your time. Have a great show. Another Design for EMC solution provider, Ricoh. And the solution they've accredited through the Design for EMC program is Document Wall. Just Systems is a Design for EMC solution provider. Their accreditation awarded them the DFE designation for X-Metal for Documentum. They were exhibitor at EMC World 2008 with high booth traffic and tremendous interest on bringing documents to life. Good afternoon, how are you today?
Good, how are you?
Great, thanks. I thought I'd ask you a few questions about your participation in the Design for EMC process.
Sure.
Can you share your name, your company, and the solutions you've produced for customers at EMC World?
Absolutely. My name is Jake Saroff. I'm the Senior Vice President of Marketing and Business Development for Just Systems. And we have two products that we bring to market in conjunction with EMC. The first is called X-Metal. And X-Metal is a structured authoring tool that allows documentation writers, technical writers, to create valid XML within a WYSIWYG environment.
Excellent.
Utilizing X-Hive and other documental repositories for the storage and management of that content. And then we have a product called X-Five, which provides a platform for dynamic delivery of that information to various applications that need to be consumed, like maintenance manuals, policies, procedures, etc.
Super. And have you completed the Design for EMC accreditation process with those two solutions?
We have with X-Metal. So X-Metal is a fairly mature solution with a very large and loyal customer base. We've worked with Documentum EMC for quite a while with that solution, and it's one of the preferred authoring tools that's part of the Documentum TPS solution, technical publishing solution that's brought to market today, often in conjunction with a partner called Platinum.
Excellent. I'll take a look at your collateral about X-Metal right here. And so customers can download this documentation from the solution page on the new EMC Partner Solution Gallery if they look up Just Systems and find your solutions there. Is that correct?
That's right.
Super. And what benefits have you or your company enjoyed as a result of participating in the Design for EMC accreditation process?
Well, certainly credibility and market reach. So I think a lot of customers look to that certification as a basis for validating the solutions that we're delivering. So it's really provided a great deal of credibility.
Excellent. That's great. Thank you so much for taking the time and for participating at EMC World and in the Design for EMC solution accreditation process.
Oh, it's my pleasure. Thank you.